Good morning everyone. Hello, I'm teacher Ellie. So today let's learn about division. Division when we split up or divide a whole group into small number or equal parts that is equal by two groups. Very good. So now let's talk about another one. Let's try some calculation about bananas. So 10 divided by 2 is equal by, let's see, what is your answer? 5. Very good. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and 16 and 4 divided by 4 is equal by 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal by 4. Remainders, sometimes an amount won't divide exactly and there may be some left over, like this. 19 divided by 4 is all about the 4 dogs and 19 bones. With the remainder there is 4 remainder 3. Very good. We can also write the answer as 4R3. Let's watch a short video clips to really understand what is division and what are the methods that we are going to learn about the computation of division. Are you ready? Very good. Let's go and watch carefully.
Nice easy one here, so let's go ahead and find this guy, 68 divided by 2. Okay, when it's written like this, we have to change it so it looks like this. So this says 68 divided by 2, okay? Other ways to do this, I'm going to show you this way. This is the way I'm most comfortable with. So first thing we've got to do is see how many times does this outside number go into the first number right there. That's 6 right there, okay? So 2 goes into 6, and remember it's like 2 times what number equals 6 or something close. Well, 2 goes into 6 3 times, so that's the number that we write straight up on top of 6 right there. Okay, then we're going to multiply 2 times 3, and we're going to put that right underneath this red 6. So here's 2 times 3 right here. 2 times 3 equals 6, so put that right underneath there, and then we're going to subtract, okay? So when I subtract 6 minus 6, I get 0, okay? Whoops, there we go. I moved it over, you guys. So 6 minus 6 equals 0, and the next thing we're going to do is slide this 8 down right here into that position, okay? Alright, so we slid that down, then we do it again, you guys. 2 goes into 8 now. 2 times 4 equals 8. So we're going to go ahead and divide it in there. So 2 goes into 8 4 times. So I'm going to go ahead and slide the 4 right up next to the 3, right above the 8 right there. Okay, then I'm going to go 4 times 2. Okay, and I'm going to put it right underneath that 8 right there. And then we're going to subtract again, and we get 0. Okay, now this is how you write the answer. We start up here at the 34 and we go clockwise. Well, actually it's just 34 because the remainder is 0, so we don't have anything left over. So the answer is just plain old 34. When we have something left over, and I have that in the next 2 examples, you'll see how we write that. So the answer on this one is this number right up here at 34. Okay, let's try another one, you guys. 75 divided by 4. Okay, this time we're going to get a remainder. Okay, we've got to write it like this. This number goes on the outside, and then 75 goes on the inside. Okay, 4 goes into 7 into the first number just one time, you guys. So I'm going to put the 1 right above the 7, and then I'm going to write 4 times 1 equals 4. So that's what goes right here. Okay, so 4 times 1 equals 4. So put it right underneath that 7, and then we're going to subtract. Okay, and then 7 minus 4 equals 3, and then we slide down the next number. Okay, so there's my 7 minus 4 gets me this blue 3, and then slide down this next number 5. Okay, so now it becomes 35. Then we're going to do it again, you guys. Okay, 4 goes into 35 8 times. Okay, and then so I'm going to multiply 8 times 4, and that's what goes right underneath here. 8 times 4 is 32, and then we subtract. Okay, and I don't have any more numbers to slide down, so I'm done. So I have a remainder right here, so we're going to write this as a mixed number. So we start at the top up here, which is 18, and then we go clockwise. 18 and 3/4. Okay, that's how we write this. 18 and 3/4. Okay, so we always start at the top and then go clockwise and 3/4. Okay, so there's my 18 and 3/4. All right, and if this could reduce, I'd go ahead and reduce that, but 3/4 doesn't reduce, so that's the answer right there. All right, let's try one more and then we'll stop, okay? So 99 divided by 6, okay? So we're going to go put 6 on the outside, 99 on the inside. Okay, 6 goes into the first number once. Okay, so I write 6 underneath that. So there's my 6, and then I subtract. Okay, 1 times 6 equals this 6, and I subtract, and then I get a 3. Do you remember the next step? I slide this guy down, so now it becomes 39. Okay, and then I ask again, how many times does 6 go into 39? Well, I know 6 times 6 is 36, so so it'll go in there 6 times. So I'm going to go ahead and now do 6 times 6, this red 6 times this red 6, and put it right underneath there. That's going to get me 36. Okay, then I subtract. Okay, now I don't have any more numbers to slide down, and since 6 doesn't go into that number anymore, then I'm going to start at the top and go clockwise. Okay, so start at the top, there's my 16, and then go clockwise. So 16 and 3/6. Okay, and then I can reduce this, you guys. 3 goes into this number and 3 goes into that number. So if I divide this one by 3 and divide this one by 3, then this becomes 1 and this becomes 2. So if you can reduce it, go ahead and reduce it. So that's how I reduce it. I put little slashes through it. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6 twice, so this becomes and reduces to 1/2, so the answer is 16 and 1/2. Okay, take care, you guys.
After the given exercises from the video, and we already finished, so I hope you really understand from the video clips. Let's do our activity. In your Math in Action workbook, look at the page 86, 87, and 89. All you need to do, answer activity 1, 2, and 4 only in each pages. So I hope you really enjoy this. See you again next time. Goodbye.